Hey there! We are so excited to show you our new NterNow Instant Access System, a new way to tour our move-in ready homes on your own time without the need of an agent. Whether you want to view a home before work or while you're out on a Sunday afternoon drive, you can get instant access anytime from sunup to sundown and as often as you want. Just look for these orange NterNow signs and find homes that allow you safe, unrestricted access. Here's how it works. Walk up to any home with an orange NterNow sign in the front yard. Download the NterNow app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in or create an account. It's easy, just follow the provided steps. Or if you don't want to download the app, just call the phone number on the front door and speak to one of the friendly operators who will verify your identity and give you instant access.
Your code for access will be 6763. Press unlock and turn the knob. Does that work for you?
Yep, thank you so much.
No problem.